welcome to this week's Plan With Me in my Erin Condren vertical neutral. It is currently Monday, so I am planning the week of, so I don't have a ton of stuff written down as far as what all we are working on this week. It's going to be a lot of just getting orders out. We are still a little bit behind. We're trying to get caught up. But I'm going to be using this kit from Sticky Essentials. This was just an add-on that wasn't part of the kit. This was also an add-on sheet, the glitter headers, as well as some extra boxes. And then the kit that I'm using is the Zen kit, and this is the mini version. And then I went ahead and grabbed a few other things as well. I don't know what of this I'm gonna actually use. I know I will be using the bath time stickers with Oz from BeanSproutPaperCo. I just gave him a bath. He is currently pouting. And then I've got, these are all from MadeWithSouthernLuv. I've got these laptop stickers, some Animal Crossing stickers, some like relaxing stickers, clean the kitchen, clean the house, these Animal Crossing flat lays, and then trash day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna try to keep this video as short as possible since I don't know if YouTube's gonna just let me upload it or if it's gonna take 4 hours and then do processing like 4 times. Like I said, it's currently Monday. It is Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day to everyone. And yeah, so we worked through a bunch of stuff this morning. Did not package anything since the post office is closed today. So we're going to begin packaging what we were working on today, tomorrow. I've got a bunch of stuff shipping out tomorrow, and then probably all week we will continue to go ahead and ship things out as quickly as possible. So there for a little while, I was trying to limit the amount that I was leaving the house to go to the post office, but I wanna make sure I don't flip this the wrong way. But I feel like now I can like kind of go the way that I used to, which is pretty much every single day. They have started lifting stuff here. I need to do glitter headers first. What did I do with those? Here they are. So they started to lift stuff here as far as like things reopening. Still not really going anywhere that I wasn't going before though. I did go to Target the other day. I needed to grab some things there that I kind of like actually needed to go there to get them. And I feel like it was pretty crowded. There was actually a line to get in, which is just kind of odd, but I got an email from like my nail salon saying that they're reopening. I think today was the day that they were reopening. So I'm probably not gonna go and do anything like that anytime soon. I'd like to get my nails done, but I know they said they were implementing a bunch of stuff as far as like they're doing temperature checks and you have to have a mask on while they do everything, but I don't know. I'll probably wait a little bit longer. But yeah, so I hope that everybody has had a good Memorial Day so far. It's been a little bit since I have sat down and filmed a plan with me, but specifically a more chatty plan with me. So if this is just kind of all over the place, I apologize, but it's been a while since I've done this. We are going to be doing, I wanted to get these done today. I don't think it's gonna happen because it's already about 6 o'clock, but I went through, maybe it was yesterday, maybe it was the day before, and got together all of the Oops stickers from the past, I don't know, month at least. And you guys, there are so many. So I need to sit down and do Oops bags. So if that's something you're interested in, sometime this week, maybe tomorrow, we will have Oops bags up in the shop. They're mostly the newer kits. There's still gonna be some stuff in there from some older kits as well, but for the majority, it is the newer formats of the kits. We had so many of those messing up, especially when we first started. So I need to sit down and do that. So if that is something that you are interested in, I will post on Instagram as well as in the Facebook group once those go live. Hopefully it'll be tomorrow afternoon. I may have mom help me put those together tomorrow morning. We will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my kind of quote box. This shirt says, "Let's stay in bed," up on the top. And then I'm just gonna use the glitter headers for a little bit of separation. I have been using more trackers lately, so I am gonna go ahead and use both of the trackers that are in this kit. This paper is really thick. I think I mentioned that during my haul. it doesn't feel so thick once it's up, like the stickers itself don't feel that thick, but when it's on the backing, maybe it's just the backing that's super thick. So I'm going to put down both trackers. And then this kit does have another extra box that was on a different page. I am gonna do one weekly tracker. And I think what I'm going to use it for will be, let's see, what do I have here? Do we have any kind of little thing? I don't think so. So I'm going to use it for, well, there's a couple, dinners. Now I wish I would have, I wonder if I can pull this. Oh, I can. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch these since the colors match and do the darker brown up top and then the lighter one down there. I'll probably go ahead and do one more glitter header for separation, and then I've got, let's see here, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes here, plus this box, and I'm gonna go ahead and take it and cover the bottom. Kind of want to put it as far down as this bottom washi goes. But then I'm also going to have a little bit of space, but that's okay. Yeah, that works. Okay, so okay, I'm going to get rid of this first. We don't need that. I have got these, like I said, I'll probably figure that out in a second. I think I want to go ahead and get all of my full boxes laid down. I don't think I'm gonna go back and forth with my boxes the way that I normally would, only because there's a seam here and I want to keep those together. So I think that I'm going to do my boxes just in the center. So I want to go ahead and do a row of glitter headers over the top. I'm gonna go ahead and speed you guys through that. Okay guys, so you can see I already put one of these boxes down. I was just trying to line stuff up. So I did go ahead and do that one, but I want to go ahead and do the rest. So I want to keep the room scene together, obviously, and then I think I'm gonna split up like how these are both, or these three are all kind of like kitchen related. So I'm going to do one of the kitchen related ones over here, I guess, and then I'm gonna take the mirror, which is also kind of part of the bedroom scene, and put it over on this side as well. Also, after actually like sitting here for a second, I think that this paper may be the same paper that Caress Press uses. It's been a while since I've ordered from her, so I'm not sure. Also, I think she's been closed, but I'm not sure if she still uses this type of paper, but it smells like pool floaties, if you guys know what I'm talking about. And it's very soft and smooth. It's very pretty, but it is a little bit thicker and also removable. So if you like her Caress Press's paper, you will probably enjoy this as well. I do like that it's removable. That's always nice. So let's let's put down this row of glitter headers as well. And I was also just looking, and this kit does not have any washi, so that's been something that I've been using a lot of lately, so that's gonna be a little bit different for me, but we'll make it work. I'm gonna do the bedroom scene all the way at the very edge, so on Saturday and Sunday. I had a couple of comments asking about vlogs, and that's something that I had kind of like stepped back from. It's been a while, I think, since I've posted a vlog, but I've been thinking like maybe I could try to get one up at least every other week. One main issue with those is I'm boring, like I'm not doing anything different, and I don't like to just keep posting the same stuff over and over again. So if there's anything that you guys would like to see a vlog about, let me know. I may do one that's kind of shop related and do some design stuff in it. I think that people generally like to see that. I had another idea and now I can't think of what it was, but I also do still want to do the D-stash. So you guys let me know if you have any ideas for vlogs, and I will try to get one of those filmed. I've also, though, generally if I'm gonna film a vlog, I film the majority on the weekend, and I've been trying to not work on the weekends. Other than like if I've got some random stuff that needs to get done in the shop, I'll do that. But I don't want to like spend all day filming. But yeah, if you guys have any ideas, let me know. I just don't like doing the same thing over and over again. I feel like it just gets so repetitive and it has to be super boring to watch. Okay, so there's my second half. So let's move back over to Monday. I don't like that I can see these, which always happens, but let's put in some stuff. Even if I'm not going to end up actually using these for what they like say that they are, like some of the TVs and stuff, I want to go ahead and put in just a little thing on the bottom of each day. And that way it kind of covers that space. Sorry, my oven just went off. Let's see, what color did let's go backwards. Okay, so that covers that. And then I guess I'm just gonna get started through my week. Like I said, I don't have a ton of stuff written down, so I'm not totally sure what all I'm gonna put in. I do think I should have put these work labels down at the bottom now that I've realized I've got them. I guess I still could. Yeah, so I think I will do that. I'm gonna color match them. And for these, I'm just gonna be writing in mom's schedule. And I bet I did the colors wrong. I did. Oh well. Since this paper is removable, I'm gonna go ahead and switch the one that I have on Friday for the one that I've got on Sunday. Just so that I can match that label right there. And then I think what I'm gonna do, generally if I have no idea what's going on, I like to kind of do the same thing, and then I can, like, it looks a little bit more cohesive, but then I can just write it in. So I think because I do have 8 of these larger boxes, I'm gonna go patterns and then do just a solid and go back and forth across to the top of the week. I think that will work out. And then I can also always add in a sticker in this area if there's something else going on. So I think I'm gonna try to match to the colors that are under. And then let's do, so normally I wouldn't do quite so many half boxes, but since there isn't any washi, I mean, this works fine. It's just kind of preference. So I'm gonna do a solid. And then I don't actually have a darker colored one of these, so I think I'm gonna use just this one instead. And then of course okay, so I'm gonna switch again because I messed up my coloring when I moved that darker brown. So I'm just gonna switch the tan and the orange, and then I can use this box right here. And this last one right here. Yeah, and that works. And that way, throughout the week, as I'm figuring out like what needs to go, it'll be really easy to just write it in. As far as down here, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put this weekend banner in really quick. We're gonna skip around a little bit. So I'm gonna put in my weekend banner. There we go. And then let's do, oh, I could put in, well, I would put this in for new releases, but I think that will be fine for that. I do have some flags. There's a bunch of really cute deco in here. I'm not too sure if I'll end up using that or not. I know on Thursday I could do one of these checklists down here. And then yeah, I don't know. Let's start on Monday. Let's go back to Monday, which is today. And I'm going to go ahead and stick in one of these bath time Aussie stickers down here at the bottom because he, like I said, needed a bath. So we're gonna go ahead and stick that in. I do also have these. Let's do that in a second. So I'm not gonna need these anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead and move them. I do wanna go ahead and put in a trash day on Tuesday, as well as, let's do one of these flags to go with it. Because today is Memorial Day, they didn't come today, so they're coming tomorrow. Let's go ahead and stick that in. And then moving over to Wednesday, actually this might work out fine the way that this is. I'm gonna go ahead and stick in one of these laptop stickers because I'm gonna have a ton of design work to get done. This may actually end up still having a lot of white space, which is what I've been enjoying lately. So let's flip over to Thursday. I've got the checklist there. So for Friday, I wanna put in, I'm gonna put in one of these switches. And let's go ahead and do another flag as well. Those are so cute. Okay, and then for Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna do clean the house and then clean the kitchen. Or maybe not, maybe I'm just gonna do clean the house on Saturday, or not on Saturday. Let's do clean the house on Sunday. And for Saturday, I'm gonna stick in one of these relaxing flat lays. Yeah, and that works out really nicely. Okay, so there is gonna be a lot of stuff in this kit that I'm gonna end up not using. I'm probably gonna hang on to it. I may be able to use it in a smaller planner. I have been kind of back into my Louis MM. I need to find some new inserts for it, so if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. And then I'm gonna just stick down these two little bow bow overlays. Uh-oh, that one ripped. Nah, that's a problem with clear paper. I have this same issue in my shop. Every now and then you'll get one that just doesn't cut correctly and then it'll rip through. So let me be a little bit more careful with this one. There we go. And I'm gonna put it right here on this box. And how do I wanna, I may be able to pull up the rest of this. Let's see. Yeah, I can, okay. So I'm gonna flip this over and I'm just gonna kind of piece it together. I'm gonna do it on this box right here that has the cell phone. And I'm just gonna line it up. Yeah, and you really can't even see, so. Okay, so I think that is actually it. So it's gonna be a short plan with me anyway. So I really like how it looks. I mean, I really like the washi and then kind of overlaying the icons, but I do like this down here a lot. It's pretty simple, works well for me. So yeah, anyway, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know again if you have any suggestions for vlogs. Let me know down in the comments down below. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.